Good afternoon, this is Taylor Rose reporting for WND here at the United States Supreme Court. Inside the court today begins the hearing on the constitutionality of Proposition 8 out of California to determine whether or not homosexual marriage will be legal, and if it's legal to constitutionally ban it or not. And today we're here at the protest in front of the Supreme Court with both camps gathered very much in earnest in a desire to express their opinions on what's going on. The confrontations have been pretty hostile so far today, though nobody appears to have been arrested yet, and no actual violence has broken out. The cops have had to do a number of breakups with some certain clashing going on between some of the camps. A lot of Catholic groups here leading the charge against it. There were even some people from out of the country. There's a woman from France that we interviewed earlier, some people from Argentina even. In contrast, we have on the other side a lot of Protestant groups from the Episcopalian Church, the Methodist Church, one of the Presbyterian groups are here, announcing their support for homosexual marriage and support the ban on Proposition 8. And so the idea is what people are really looking for is to determine where the country is going to go. They believe that this could be the tipping point. A lot of the people that are with the pro-homosexual movement have expressed their desire or expressed their opinion that this is more or less like the civil rights movement. Many of them feel that this could be very similar to what happened with the Civil Rights Act, other Supreme Court cases such as Brown versus the Board of Education. This is also a critical moment where America will determine to go either in a more social liberal direction or stay on a more traditional fashion. And it really appears that it is the church that is leading this charge against that. There's several thousand people here today, more or less about 3,000 I'd estimate on, probably for both sides, so probably around until about 6,000 people here. That's a far cry from the number that we saw in France last Sunday where there was 1.5 million people in Paris. So there's a big contrast between the two camps and the passion for it. Regardless though, there are a lot of people here and they're definitely passionate for both sides, and at times have gotten pretty angry with each other. This is Taylor Rose reporting for WND, United States Supreme Court.